Good morning, children. How are you all? I am sure, children, you are enjoying this new way of learning. Today, I am going to teach grammar for class 3. Lesson number 3, singular and plural nouns. As we all know, nouns are two in number, singular number and plural number. Now we will know about the definition of singular noun. Singular noun refers to one person, place, animal or thing, etc. Examples of singular number: egg, desk, tooth, leaf, mouse, etc. Now, definition of plural noun. Plural noun refers to more than one person, place, animal or thing, etc. Example: eggs, desk, teeth, leaves, mice, etc. Now children, I have done some pictures to show you about singular and plural. Singular means one, plural means more. Egg, if it is one egg, egg. If it is more than one egg, eggs. If one desk, it is desk. If it is more than one desk, it is desks, desks. You can see two desks pictures are here. Number 3, if it is one tooth, it is tooth. If it is more than one tooth, it is teeth. Number 4, leaf, leaf. If it is more than one leaf, it is leaves, leaves. Number 5, mouse. If it is one mouse, mouse, mouse. If it is more than one mouse, it is mice, mice, mice. Children, now we will know about the words where we use es in its plural form. When a noun ends with s, ss, sh, ch, x or o, we use es in its plural form. Here I have written singular and plural. Some singular nouns are there. Along with it, plural form of those nouns are also there. First one, bus, 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 which ends with s. In its plural form, we write bus, buses. Second one, glass, glass, ends with ss. In its plural form, we write glasses, glasses. Third one, dish, 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 ends with sh. Plural form, dishes, dish, dishes. Fourth one, branch, 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 ends with ch. The plural form of branches, 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 branches. Fifth one, mango, ends with o, mango. In its plural form, mango, mangoes. Sixth one, box, ends with x, box, box. If it is one box. If it is more than one box, box, boxes. This is how we change a noun from singular to plural by using es. Now we will know about the words that we use ves in its plural form. When a noun ends with f or fe, we usually use ves in its plural form. Here some words are given along with some pictures. Singular and plural. Loaf, loaf, loaf means loaf of bread. If it is plural, loaves, loaves of bread. Knife, knife, if it is one knife. If it is more than one knife, 2, 3, 4, any number, knives, knives. Then leaf, leaf, if it is one leaf. If it is plural, then leaves, leaves. Next, shelf, shelf, means bookshelf. If it is shelf, shelf, it is singular. If it is more than one shelf, you write shelves, shelves. Half, half, half. If it is plural, halves, halves. Here are some of the words which we generally use ves in their plural form if they are ending with f or fe. Okay. Now, which are the nouns where we use ies in its plural form? When a noun ends with y, we usually add ies in its plural form. Here, some nouns are given. Along with the nouns, I have written the plural form of those nouns with some pictures. First one, butterfly, butterfly, ends with y. If it is one butterfly. If it is more than one butterfly, it is butterflies, butterflies. 2, cherry, cherry, as we know it is a fruit. If it is more than one cherry, we write cherries, cherries. Third one, fly, fly. If it is plural, we write it flies, flies. Fourth one, candy, candy, candy means chocolate. If it is one, candy. If it is more than one, candies, candies. Fifth one, berry, a type of fruit, berry, berry, which ends with y. In its plural form, we write berries, berries. These are some of the examples about the noun which we generally use ies in their plural form. Now, children, we will know about some words having different spelling in singular and plural form. Some nouns are there whose plural form are made by changing the spelling of the singular word. Here are some examples, singular and plural. If one child, child, child. If it is more than one child, children, children, children. You can see the spelling difference in their spelling. Number 2, tooth. If it is one tooth, tooth. If it is more than one tooth, it is teeth, teeth, teeth. Number 3, mouse, 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 singular. In its plural form, we write mice, mice. Number 4, man, man. If it is group of people, then men, men. 5, foot, 1 foot of your leg. If both the legs we will take, then having 2 feet, feet, feet. 1, ox. If it is pair of ox, then oxen, oxen, oxen. Goose, 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 a type of bird. Its plural is geese, geese. Then number 8, omen. If it is one omen, woman, omen, spelling you can see. When it is a group of omen, then we write women. Change in the spelling, we use only e to change from singular to plural in that omen spelling. So these are some of the examples, children, you have seen how to change a word from singular to plural by changing only the spelling of that word. Now, children, we will do the exercise part of this lesson. Bit number A, write the correct singular or plural form of these nouns. Here you can see 2 columns are there, singular nouns, plural noun. In some case singular is given, you have to write the plural of it, and in some case plural is given, you have to write the singular. Question number 1, COAT, coat. Plural form of coat is COATS, coats. Question number 2. Plural is given WOMEN, women. What is the singular of women? WOMAN, women. Question number 3. Singular army is given ARMY. Plural form is ARMIES. Question number 4. Plural churches is given. You have to write singular of churches is church, CHURCH. Question number 5. Bush, BUSH, bush. Singular is given. Plural of bush is bushes, BUSHES, bushes. Question number 6. Plural cups given, CALVES, cups. Singular of cups is CALF, cup. Now we will move on to the next page, that is bit number B. Fill in the blanks with plural form of nouns in the bracket. Means in bracket option is given. You have to write the plural form of these nouns. Question number 1, it is done for you. Number 1, grandmother bought me dash presents for Diwali. Presents is singular, plural form of present is presents. Question number 2, we saw a few dash turkey at the farm. Turkey, you know children, a kind of bird. Plural of turkey is TURKEYS, turkeys. Third one, Samir loves eating dash mango. Mango is singular, plural of mango is mangoes, MANGOES. Fourth one, I am 8 dash year old. Plural of year is YEARS, years. Question number 5, mom cut the sandwich into dash, HALF, half. Plural of half is HALVES, halves. Sixth one, father took a lot of dash photo at the wedding. Plural of photo is PHOTOS, photos. Now we will do the last question, question number C. Write the plural form of the given nouns and make sentences with the plural nouns. First one is done for you. Blanket is singular. Plural form of blanket is blankets. Sentence is we use blankets in winter. We use blankets in winter. Question number 2, sheep, 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 a type of animal. Plural of sheep is that same spelling, SHEEP, sheep. That means singular also and plural also, both are having same spelling. Sentence, the sheep are grazing in the field. The sheep are grazing in the field. Question number 3, piano, a musical instrument. PIANO, piano. Plural form is PIANOS, pianos. Sentence is they are playing pianos. They are playing pianos. Fourth one, child. Plural form is children. Sentence is we are good children. We are good children. Fifth question is potato, a vegetable, potato, POTATO. Plural is POTATOES, potatoes. POTATOES, potatoes. Sentence is the bag is full of potatoes. The bag is full of potatoes. Last, question number 6, tooth, TOOTH. If more than one tooth, it is T-double-E-T-H, teeth. T-double-E-T-H, teeth. Now sentence is my 2 teeth were broken yesterday. My 2 teeth were broken yesterday. So children, this is all about the exercise part of this lesson 3, and I am sure that you are fully understood what I told about this exercise and about this lesson. Please read again and again to get fully clear about this topic. Thank you, children.